Story Nest.
Cleo, a sleek Siamese cat with sapphire eyes, and Max, a cheerful mouse sporting tiny aviator goggles, clambered into their magnificent hot air balloon. The balloon, a patchwork of vibrant silks, glowed softly against the inky canvas of the night sky. Below them, the town twinkled like scattered stardust. As they ascended, a tapestry of constellations unfolded above them. Max, with his keen eyes, pointed out the Great Bear and Orion's Belt, while Cleo, purring contentedly, traced the shimmering arc of the Milky Way with her paw. They navigated by the celestial map, their laughter echoing in the silent expanse. Suddenly, a faint distress signal crackled through their radio. A group of astronauts, their spaceship adrift, were lost amongst the stars. Cleo and Max exchanged determined glances, ready to embark on their rescue mission. Using their knowledge of the constellations, Cleo expertly steered the balloon through nebulae of swirling colors, while Max diligently worked the radio, guiding the lost astronauts with calm assurance towards their glowing balloon. Soon, the grateful astronauts were safely aboard their balloon, sharing stories of their cosmic misadventure as they floated gently back towards Earth, guided by their feline and murine heroes under the watchful eyes of the stars.